Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing practical geometry or constructions as we generally call. In earlier classes, you have constructed, you have seen how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a angle bisector of an angle. Here we are trying to study quadrilateral. Okay, so let us see what is quadrilateral first and what are its parameters. So this is a quadrilateral. It has four sides S1, S2, S3, S4, four angles A1, A2, A3, A4, and two diagonals D1 and D2. These are the 10 parameters of quadrilateral. Okay. So now go through a comment here. At least 5 out of 10 parameters are needed to construct a unique quadrilateral. You need to have 5 parameters to construct a quadrilateral. What is unique? Unique means only one can be drawn. If you try to draw another one, that will be overlapped on that. Okay, that is unique. We will come to know exact meaning of this as we proceed further. For the time being, you go through this comment. Though not any five will help us to draw a unique quadrilateral. Not that any five are given. Okay, so we will study what does this sentence means. That is, if more than one quadrilateral is possible having same measurements. So let us see an example to clear this. Okay, then you will come to know what is this about. Okay, so we see an example. Here are they. Go to this comment. If any of the following five parameters are given, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Okay, first one, when four sides and one diagonals are given. You have seen this. Two diagonals and three sides are given. Okay, third one, two adjacent sides and three angles are given, not any sides, so adjacent sides. Okay, and three angles are given. Fourth one, when three sides and two included angles are given, that means not inside, we will see all of them in details. And a fifth one is when other special properties are known. Okay, so in this case we will try to draw all this. Okay, one by one, but remember one comment here, always draw a rough sketch to make a construction easy. Let us study one by one, and before that let us study the rules, general rules which we must follow for the construction purpose. Okay, so we move over towards the rules. Okay, general rules for drawing construction in geometry. These are general rules. You can have some of yours also. First one, use sharp HB bold pencils. Second one, keep 3 to 4 pencils ready only for construction. For other work like rough work, use another pencils. That is a small tip given here. Don't waste time in sharpening during exam. That is, you are wasting your time. Carry sharpened pencil from home. Okay. Third one, use different pencils for compass and freehand drawing. Okay. So don't take out compass pencil. Use another pencil for drawing a line and point. Fourth one, take exact measurements as shown in the video. Okay, there is no approximations. There are few more rules. You'll go through it. These are very useful. Don't buy head them, but you try to use these. Okay. Fifth one, take measurements as shown on line marks and not directly by scale to avoid errors. Okay. Sixth one, draw line segments only once and don't redraw. Here is a important comment. marked in red. Draw beyond mark point. Okay. All this is shown in video. Even you will see this point in video. Okay. I have followed all these rules in my video. We are not supposed to break any rule. Okay. The rules which are made by us for the construction are okay, but there are some such rules which we cannot break. Okay. So this one is single point and curves to be drawn only once. Okay. This is not by the mathematicians. While joining two points, check by keeping pencil pointers on the marks. Okay, to make sure that line segment covers the point and then draw, shown in video. Okay, this is very important again. Don't erase. Okay, ninth one is don't erase any point or extra segment or marks. Okay, from the point of view of construction, this is very important. Okay, you must keep them to show to the examiner. Okay, watch this video. So if a mark is there, you see this, you are not supposed to erase anything. Okay, so we will watch the video, and still if you face a difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will solve it. Okay, so after going through these rules, see how which pencils you need. These are some bold pencils. See, I cannot take any names. See how sharp it is. See that you are not tearing the paper. Pencil should be that this sharp, and see how should be attached to compass. Use separate pencil for compass. See, and it is also pointed. Use, see, this is how you should arrange for this, and see how you should mark. See how I am marking it. See, this is a line. Okay, see, I have taken a close up of this, and see how you can see even still close up. 0 means 0. Okay, 0, exact 0. Now this is 3.4. Okay, see, it is just before 3.5. Okay, so take that care, then your construction will be thorough. Okay, and see how curves or marks you should make. See, this is one only single mark. Okay, should not overwrite it or redraw it. Okay, only single mark. That's why you need bold sharp pencils. Okay, and a single point. Okay, I told you keep some pencils ready. See, even if you have to do like this, take it like that. Okay, and another one, this is showing. So after some practice you can achieve this. This is that. And when join, see, I'm joining not only 2 points but beyond this. That is very important in construction. Okay, so see, these are the points. Keep pencils on this so that your line will pass through these points and should pass the points on this side and other side always, and do not rub all this. Okay, all these marks and points and everything is a part of construction, so you are not supposed to rub or erase anything. Okay, that is very important. Okay, you will come across some many important tips in the following videos as we proceed further. Okay, so we proceed. Now we will see how angles are to be taken. See, this is a straight line. See, this very carefully we have to take. It's a very important aspect of the construction, geometrical construction. See, I have taken a close up. See how protractor has to be kept. See, this is the point. See, it is exactly lying on this, and that line, no, it is still not there. See, now this is there. No, you have to take it lead. Now it is here. Yes, that is the point is on this point. Point matches, and this is exactly, this is 90. Okay. Now I am taking 60. So from this side, this is 60. I am also taking 61. See, okay. Now let us take 101. If I want to take from this side, see, taking 101. So that exactness should be there. Okay. Now I am taking 114. So I'm just taking where it is 110 and 4 units away from this. Just see. So this is the level of accuracy you have to achieve. Okay, see, this is 110 and this is 114. Okay, you can even check by expanding the screen and study how to take it. See, I have written 90 there. Now joining these 2 points, they should be joined correctly. See, this I've seen that this point lies on the line. Yes, that is 61. Now I will join some other point to this 90. Okay, this and this 90 I am joining. Okay, so this is 90. So you have to specify what you have joined. This is 90 and this is 61. Okay, so try to study this and use this in construction. Okay, so this is a third set of 5 parameters. We are given 5 parameters out of 10 to draw a quadrilateral. Now third one is 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Okay, look at this figure. We will be given 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles, one included by 2 sides and 2 adjacent to this angle. Okay, look at this, you will get idea. And now with the help of this, we will have a first construction, and construct quadrilateral PLAN, where PL is 4 centimeters, area is 6.5 centimeters, angle P is 90, angle A is 110, of course, a degree radians, and angle N is equal to 85 degree. Okay, so we'll draw a rough sketch and then see how to draw it. Okay, so proceed. Now we are drawing or constructing a quadrilateral. See, I have copied this from a slide. You have to copy it from the question paper on the answer sheet. Construct quadrilateral PLAN and write the data given. PL is 4 centimeters. LA is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Okay, this is given. Angle P is equal to 90. Okay, angle A is equal to 110, 110, and another angle given is angle N is equal to 85. Okay, that much data is given. We are now trying to construct the quadrilateral where 2 sides and 3 angles are given. Okay, so rough sketch. This is the rough sketch. Any 4 sides, no particular rule, and name the vertices PLAN, and now label these. Okay, PL is 4, then this is 6.5, angle P, go in series, angle P is 90. Okay, angle A is 110. Let him give anyhow he likes or the author likes. but you should go in series, okay, so that you don't miss anything and don't make mistake in writing also, okay. Now you have to find out what is L. So we are using this property. Go to the comment given there. The sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. Okay, that's total measurement is 360. This property we are using. So with this property, angle L is equal to 360 minus 110 minus 90 minus 85, that is equal to 360 minus 285, yes, that is equal to 75, okay. So this L is 75. I am writing it out of the quadrilateral because we have found it. It's not given in the data. With the help of the data given, we have found it, okay. So now start with AL, okay. That rough sketch is little tilted, no problem. If you go in series, you should have that habit also. AL, so mark it, leaving a little line on the left hand side, mark a 6.5, yes, that is A, and that is your L, okay, and that is 6.5. Now that P, now see that, okay, P lies on the line which is inclined by 75 degree to AL, okay. So see this, no parallax, that a line, actual line and the projector line is matching, that point is also exactly on the point L. Now take 75 from A, okay, this is exact 75. So this line which will be joining P will lie on this point somewhere at a distance of 4 centimeters from L. We will see that, okay. This confirm that these 2 points are lying on the line, and yes, we are joined it, okay. Now you have to see point P. So take this measurement 0 and 4. Always have this practice. Even though there is only one point, you have to take it like this only because that's the rule, okay. See that you are not making any mistake. That is 4, that is 0, and this is 4, okay. Now take by compass, mark that 4 and arc from L, okay. That is a distance where P lies from L, okay. Go step by step, though that I told you that rough sketch is little tilted, but should not have any problem with our main construction because we are going in series. So this is P. Now that P is 90 degree, okay, you get a facility of turning your answer sheet. Do it very carefully. See how I am taking. This is a, see how, always do it like this, that point should match and the line should match, okay. That's the way, okay. Then your construction can never go wrong, okay. I am marking 90 because that P is 90 degree, okay. This is that, confirm, and now join that point and P. So N lies somewhere here. You will see how we can locate N. See, I'm just confirming that this point and this point is on the line I am joining. See, this join. We do not know Pn, so we will have some other way of finding N, exact position of N, because N is at a angle on the line which is inclined by 110 to AL, okay. see, this is on A, this is matching, and A L and this line we have 110 distance, that is angle A will be 110. So joining it, okay, got it. So this is how you can locate that n. See, I am just confirming that both these points are on the line and it meets somewhere. We are very lucky that it crosses that P line. Okay, this is 110. So this is 75. Okay, and at this point, this vertex is n. Now that n given was 85, we are just confirming whether it is really 85 or not. We have not taken, we have used it to draw, but we have not measured it. Now it is 85. We just see it is 85. So our construction is correct. Okay, so write it 85. Okay, now this comment that all the measurements or segments or whatever lengths you have taken are in centimeters and angles are in degree radians, because you have to always specify this. You cannot leave them as they are. Okay, just numbers have no value. And the answer that this is a quadrilateral PLAN. Okay, do always write this. Okay, you always must specify the units and examiner should know what you have used. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, move ahead. Now second one, under this where two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Look at this figure, we have seen this before. Two adjacent sides. So second one, construct parallelogram HEAR where H is equal to 5 centimeters, EA equal to 6 centimeters, and angle R is 85 degrees. Now by rule we will be given 5 parameters, but here you can see only 3, but he has specified you have to draw a parallelogram. So definitely some more data is given and we will see after drawing a rough sketch. So whenever this parallelogram or a rhombus, such things are given, then use their properties. Okay, so we will see this in actual construction. Okay, so proceed. Now copying the data given from question paper on the answer sheet for you, and here from the slide on this paper, construct a parallelogram HEAR. Do write this word parallelogram there if it is given there, because that will be very much needed while drawing a rough sketch. Okay, and the data given is HE is equal to 5 centimeters and EA is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, and some more data is given that angle R is equal to 85 degree. Yes, then draw rough sketch. Okay, see that you are drawing rough sketch taking into consideration that is a parallelogram. Okay, so you draw with the keeping in mind the properties of parallelogram. Okay, that will help you in drawing the actual construction. HEAR, HE is 5 centimeters, EA is 6, and angle R is 85. Okay, write down as it is. Now only one angle is given, you are supposed to be given 5 parameters. We will just see in such type of problems you have to use the properties of whatever given. Now in this case parallelogram or rhombus or kite or rectangle or whatever it may be. Okay, now we will just concentrate on the parallelogram. what are the properties of parallelogram that we can use here? Is first is opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal, they are parallel and equal, okay, and opposite angles are congruent, okay. So it is given in the comment there. So these are the properties which we are going to use to find the other angles or the parameters, okay. So that R is equal to E is equal to 85. And now another property is sum of the interior angles of the parallelogram or any quadrilateral is 360, okay. So by this, angle R plus angle E plus angle H plus angle A is equal to 360. So R is equal to E is 85 plus 85 plus angle H is same as angle A because opposite angles are congruent. So angle A plus angle A is equal to 360. So 2A to angle A is equal to 360 minus 170, that is equal to 190. Therefore, A equal to H equal to 95 degrees. Okay, so we write it down there 95, and this is also 95. Okay, and this is RA is 5 because opposite sides, and RH is 6. So we are supposed to be given 5 parameters, but you know, with this property we got 8 parameters. They are more than sufficient. Okay, so draw RA, starting with RA, draw this line and mark that 5 centimeters. This is mark 0 and 5, so that will be your RA and A. See, we are given 2 sides, okay, and angles. The angles are very important. This is R, this is A, and this is 5 centimeters. Okay, now that A is 95, okay, that E lies on the line which is inclined to 95 degree for with RA, okay. So just take it, see that how I am taking, keep this exact on the point and see where it is. Now take 95, okay, this 95 you have to take because should be RA should be 95. Join this. So E lies somewhere on this because we know only angle, we do not know, we have not seen at a distance. Okay, we will see that this is 95. We will draw line for H, that is RH, which is 85 degrees inclined to RA. Okay, so if you draw this line, then on the distance of 6 centimeters H lies. Okay, see if you take it correctly, if you take it, see this line. See, I am taking it exact this and exact 85. I will tell you why I should take it like this. Okay, so joining it, see, I am just confirming that both the points are on the line and joining. Now you need, this is 85, okay, you need 6 centimeters, so we will take it by ruler somewhere. See, take it there. Okay, you should always follow these rules because that is the way you should construct a geometrical construction. This is 0 and this is 5 and this is 6. I think we will not need 5, but we have taken it, you will need it. Okay, you need it for some other purpose. I will tell you afterwards. Okay. So take 6 because we have to locate that H and E. Okay. So H lies 6 centimeters away from R and E. So I'm taking H first, giving a mark, that is where H lies, and the exact mark. Okay. And this is E. Join this. Okay. So we are joining now E and H. We have located exact position of these points. See that both the points are on line, and join and label them or give their names H, E and other parameters. That 6, this is 6. Now uh, this angle, see we have measured 85, that angle R. Now this was the point I was talking about. This is supposed to be phi, and it is phi. Examiner will check only this point. If your construction is correct, then HE will be exact phi. So he need not check the whole construction. He can check only the last point. HE was not run by scale, but it has to be phi if construction is correct, and this angle E has to be 85. Okay, even this angle H is to be 95. If your construction is correct, he may check only these points to check whether your construction is correct or not, and if you are drawn with this method, then it may never go wrong. Okay, so that is, you have seen this. Yes, whichever is supposed to be 85 is 85, which is supposed to be 5 centimeters is 5 centimeters, and 95 is 95 angles. Okay, now the famous comment that all the measurements, that is segments or lengths, are in centimeters and the angles are in degree radians. Okay, you cannot take all this just for granted. You must write this and write the answer that parallelogram HEAR has been drawn. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we move ahead with this. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you face any difficulty in the topic of construction, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck.